So from each of the block fabrics, you're going to cut the same pieces. And the number of pieces is going to be determined on the size of the quilt. If you want to make the baby size quilt, you're going to be making 6 blocks. If you want a little bit bigger quilt, you can make 12 blocks. Or if you want a full twin size bed quilt, then you'll make 20 blocks. There are cutting directions that you can download to get the numbers that you'll need for each of the quilt sizes. But from each fabric, you're going to cut 2.5 by 4.5 inch rectangles, 2.5 inch squares, 2.5 by 3.5 inch rectangles, and 1.5 by 4.5 inch rectangles. So once you have all the pieces cut out, then we're ready to begin sewing. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take all the 2.5 inch squares. So the other pieces can go aside for now, but we'll take all the 2.5 inch squares in the 5 colors, and we are just going to randomly join these into pairs. So just pick 2, and as long as they don't match, sew them together. So once you have all the pieces joined, then you can separate them, and it's going to be time to press them. To press them, lay them down on your pressing surface with the darker square on the top. Then place the iron on the seams just to set in the seam. Open it and press the seam. This will leave it so that the seam allowance is pressed to the dark side of the fabric. So once they've all been pressed, they should be 2.5 by 4.5 inches. Put them all together and we'll set those aside for right now. To make the trapezoid units, you're going to use the 2.5 by 3.5 inch rectangles. And just like with the square units, take these randomly in pairs of 2 different colors. Then we're going to put them together perpendicularly so that it forms a right angle corner. Then we're going to stitch from the corner of one piece to the corner of the other piece. So you can mark a line on to follow if that makes it more comfortable, but you might be able to just eyeball on your sewing machine. Once that piece has been stitched, then we can cut off the outside corner. And you can use a rotary cutter for this, or you can just use scissors because the seam allowance doesn't have to be exact. Then we will open the piece and press. So there's the trapezoid unit. Just do the same thing with all the other 2.5 by 3.5 inch rectangles, and then you'll have enough of these for your blocks.